So when it's all mixed up, it looks a little like Elmer's glue. So today I will be trying out this slightly bizarre mask that I found at the drugstore. This is the Collagen Peel Off Modeling Mask from Masquebar. So if you are new to my channel, I have a huge face mask addiction. They are one of my favorite all-time pamper products. And if you happen to be in the mood to binge watch, I will link my playlist for all the other face masks I've tried out in the description box below. So I picked this mask up at Walmart for $5. This is definitely one of the weirder face masks I've ever tried out. And on their website, it says, with collagen to moisturize and increase elasticity, helps to purify skin by gently lifting away impurities and dead skin cells. Do-it-yourself rubber masks or modeling masks, as they are known, are the latest trend from Korean beauty stores. These powder pots, when mixed with water, are transformed into a thick consistency. When applied to the face, the mixture hardens into a rubbery sheet which stops the beneficial ingredients from evaporating and is easily removed by peeling off with one swift movement. That sounds painful. I'm not so sure about this. So let's break this thing open. Okay, so what does this say on the side? It says, add 7 spoonfuls of water and stir. Okay. Apply a thick, opaque, even layer to clean, dry skin. Avoid eye area, eyebrows, and hairline and lips. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes or until completely dry. Gently peel off mask in a downward motion and rinse off residue with warm water. Alrighty. Woo! Just kind of shot. Oh, it comes with this cute little spoon to add your water, and I guess you stir with the other end. It's making a mess. So I have my giant bowl of water here, the same mixing bowl I used to make my Betty Crocker brownies. Just gonna put a towel below me too, because I have a feeling this is gonna get messy. All right, so we need 7 tablespoons of water. And then mix. So when it's all mixed up, it looks a little like Elmer's glue. So I guess there's nothing left to do but smear this stuff on my face. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Oh my gosh, that's cold. Oh, that is so cold. It smells a little like plaster. Just a heads up. So it looks like a combination of glue meets cake frosting. So the whole process is a little messy, and they give you way too much product. Like, there is still a crap ton in there. There's almost enough really for 2 people. I'm sorry, I'm looking in the mirror and all I can think of is Mrs. Doubtfire. This is awesome. Alrighty, the whole process is insanely sticky and messy, and I really have to go wash my hands. So I need to relax apparently for the next 20 minutes. The time is, and I have crap all over my fingers, the time is 10:30. So I will check back with you guys in 20 minutes. So the time is 10:57. This mask is more than ready to come off. This is completely solid now. And strangely enough, the rubber is really cooling on my skin. I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting that. Let's just, apparently you're supposed to start from the top, and it's supposed to, in theory, come off in one piece. It actually is rubber. It actually came off pretty easily. I didn't have to like tug on my skin too hard for it to peel off. So it obviously is breaking away. It's not coming off in one piece like they said it would, but it's still pretty easy to remove. Ow! Okay, just a warning, if you have little hairs, like little flyaways like I do, I have a really low hairline, make sure if you try something like this that you keep this mask away from them, because ow, it does more than exfoliate, it waxes at the same time. Oh. So I had to go wash all the little annoying little bits that were still clung to my face off because there was a little bit stuck in my hair and there was a few pieces stuck in my eyebrows. So in theory, this mask is supposed to come off in one piece, but in reality, it's a little more high maintenance than that. I got stuck in my hair and was not comfortable to remove. However, my skin surprisingly feels really soft. I wasn't expecting that. So I like how my skin feels. I think I would like this one a little bit more if I didn't have to go through the process of adding water to the powder, mixing it up, and then like using a spatula to slather it on my face. I prefer to use a mask that comes in either a jar or a tube that you squeeze. So even though I like how my skin feels, I love how it feels really soft and smooth and strangely enough hydrated. Can't figure out how that works. I don't know if I would buy this one again. It is affordable. It's a bit of a process, mixing up the mixture, getting it on your face before it dries, and then picking it out of your hair, and I don't know. It's just a little more high maintenance of a face mask than I would like. So that's it for this test. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, consider subscribing. It's free. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.